how to combine clips in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine clips in CapCut for PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. To begin, open your CapCut project. First, import and select all the video clips you'd like to combine, and then add them into your project. Once you've imported them, click and hold each clip and drag them down into the timeline. You can place them one after another if you want them to play in sequence, or you can overlay them to have them on top of each other. If you're just looking to export them as one video, you can stop here and go ahead and export your project. CapCut will automatically merge them into a single file. But if you want them to become one combined clip within your CapCut timeline, you'll need to create a compound clip. To do this, click and hold your mouse to drag over all the clips you want to combine and highlight them. Once they're selected, right-click on any of the clips and you'll see an option that says Create Compound Clip. Click on that and CapCut will merge everything into a single clip on your timeline. From here, you can edit, add effects, or render the video however you like. That's all for the video.